Hey, how's it going, everyone? So Mark and I are doing droning today. We just left Harbison Canyon. We got a beautiful home over there with incredible views right off Dehesa Road, and now we are headed to a lot we have listed in Alpine.
This one's a 3.39 acre lot, has water and power already. It has a actual electric meter you can pull in and start living. It's got an outrageous view to the south overlooking Barrett Lake Barrett, for $132,000. You should definitely come take a look at this with a well already on the property.
And it's already got a gazebo, so check it out. All right, we are at the property now. Just made it over to the gazebo.
You can have your house built right behind us here. Enjoy your coffee in the mornings and enjoy your wine or beer in the evening.